As life and work are blending more and more together, so are the products used in those areas. This needs a different kind of design, a design with a softer approach. I was asked to challenge the norm of what a work chair looks like, to create something human, feminine and elegant, try to give it an expression that fits just as well in the office as in the home environment. But at the same time it had to be ergonomical and fit many different body types. And the result is HATTEFJÄLL. And it became a really ergonomic chair. Beside the basic features like swivel, safety casters and height adjustability, it has so much more. You can adjust the back height, the seat depth, the position of your armrest, and it has a self-adjusting tilt function. And this means that the tension of tilting adapts to your body weight. All of this makes it very easy to create an ideal seating position for yourself. HATTEFJÄLL is tested for office use, and that means that it has gone through tough tests on stability, strength and durability. It hasn't been an easy task, but I'm really happy with the result. There are many hours in the details, so think of that when you look at a chair and hope you like it as much as I do.